So how to cut a straight line. One of the tricks you can do is get a clamp. Okay, I got these two little clamps here, and put a straight edge, some wood on the edge of your saw. So the edge of my saw to my blade is 5.5 inches. So you put that wood from the line you drew, you measured, I want to cut 2.5 inches off, okay? And this is the edge of my saw blade right here. So I've gone and clamped the wood down to 5.5 inches. Okay, so I measured it on this end, 5.5, and measured it at that end, 5.5. Now I'm measuring it from the line. And to get the line, I use this mini little T-square, whatever it is. It's a carpenter square. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, I put it flat on the edge and drew my line. Okay, this board went there, but I wanted it that far out. Okay, and I use this edge. This is the factory edge versus the cut edge. This is the factory edge. It's going to be a lot squarer. So I measured that there, drew the line, then I drew it all the way up with the edge of this. This and this is right angle because this is a factory edge and that's a factory edge. So this corner is square, 90 degrees. Bada bing, okay? So now what I've gone, and I've taken the saw and I lined it up here. I don't know if it's gonna show it. Oh, okay, here we go. Where's it at? Where's it at? Lined it up with the saw blade. So the saw blade is gonna cut that line, and that's gonna be straight because I've got the other edge against that. There's no way it can be crooked if my clamps don't come off, okay? So I'm gonna use this edge of the wood and this edge of the saw to cut this line as straight as possible. I hope that helps. Cutting tip 101. Come back for more tips.